Welcome. Settle into a comfortable position, whether you're lying down or sitting up. If it feels right, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel your chest rise as your lungs fill. Then softly exhale, letting go of any tension you've been holding. Before we continue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know where you're from and what time you're watching it. Always great to connect with you. Now, take another deep breath in and exhale slowly, releasing any lingering stress. Feel your shoulders relax, your jaw loosen, and the tension in your forehead fade away. With each breath, notice your body growing heavier, sinking deeper into relaxation. Let your mind drift freely, like a leaf floating on a calm, steady stream, carried effortlessly. Simply listen to the sound of my voice and allow yourself to be gently guided. The Forest Service found their cameras. The footage doesn't make sense. You can see it right there in frame 37. That deer standing between the birch trees. Look closer. No eyes. Just smooth, wet skin stretched over empty sockets. And when it turns its head, sound, grotesque bone crack. You can see the teeth. This is what happened to the Blackwell hikers. The 12th of September, 3:47 p.m. Jake Reynolds checked his map for the third time. Just a quick 6-miler, he told his fiancée Sarah. Their best friend Mark trailed behind, GoPro mounted on his chest. Perfect autumn hike, perfect weather. Pause, perfect, until they reached Dead Man's Curve, that sharp bend in the trail where the sunlight stops. Sarah laughed when the first deer appeared. "It's posing for you, Mark." But Jake, an Army vet, felt his neck hairs rise. The doe didn't blink, didn't twitch, just stared with sound. Sticky, wet movement. Those smooth black voids where eyes should be. Mark zoomed in. What the hell is wrong with its sound? Sudden audio static. The woods went silent. No birds, no wind, just 3 rapid heartbeats and sound. Faint clicking. Something moving through the underbrush. Sarah's hand found Jake's. "There's another one," Mark whispered. Between the pines, 6 more deer, all eyeless, all standing perfectly still, all sound, synchronized head tilt, tilting their heads at the exact same angle. When the largest buck opened its mouth, the sound that came out wasn't deer, wasn't human, wasn't anything that should exist. Jake's combat instincts kicked in. Run now. They crashed through brush, Mark's camera catching flashes of sound. Rapid footsteps. Things keeping pace just beyond the trees. Not running. Not walking. Sound. Unnatural sliding. Gliding. Jake went down hard. Something had him by the ankle. Sarah turned back just in time to see sound, wet tearing. The buck's face splitting vertically like a zipper. Inside, sound, chittering, rows of needle teeth, and something pulsating. Mark's camera caught it all. Every frame. Especially the moment Jake stopped screaming. Especially the way his sound. Liquid suction. Eyes. Came out so easily. The last thing Jake said before they dragged him into the pines? "They're not deer. They're just wearing them." Park rangers found Sarah and Mark at dawn. Sarah's left hand. Sound. Shaky breath. Still clutching Jake's wedding band. Mark's GoPro footage showed 37 minutes of blackness after Jake was taken. But the audio. Sound. Playback button click. You can hear them whispering in Jake's voice, saying things only Jake would know, asking politely. Sound. Distorted. "Let us see through you," to borrow their eyes. Blackwell Forest's original name? Wisaka Chak's Blind Place. Cree legend warns of mimic spirits that wear animal skins like ill-fitting suits. They're always hungry, always learning. And they've gotten much better at sound, wet clicking, pretending to be human lately. The rangers never found Jake's body. But last week, Sarah swears she saw him outside her window, standing perfectly still, smiling with too many teeth. And when he turned his head, sound, bone crack. She finally understood why the deer never needed eyes. This story was reconstructed from Blackwell County Police Report number 4479 and survivor testimonies. That GoPro footage? It's still in evidence lockup. Maybe you should request it. Maybe you've already seen something similar in your own woods. Pause. Look closer at your trail cam photos tonight. Count the deer. Then, count their eyes.